and started with this stuff here first thing this morning. Getting some drizzle and whatever, so yeah, it's not really sticking to the windshield yet, but it possibly could. It possibly could. I mean, right now it's right around the freezing point, or just above the freezing point. It's actually +1, feels like -3, so it could definitely start sticking to the windshield here pretty soon. But hey, if it doesn't, it will not hurt my feelings, I guarantee you that. But anyways, we're just cruising along here, and we're actually almost up to Sudbury already. Yeah. That looks like it's slowed down a little bit here with the drizzle, so let's get my windshield wipers to go a little bit less. Mind you, that wasn't much of a lesser wipe, but a little bit, right? Let's get it a little bit less going here. I don't need it to be quite that often, so that's more like it. But yeah, we're hoping we run out of this stuff here pretty soon. Yep, still haven't got my border crossing set up yet, but we're still another 4.5 hours away from the border too, right? So I'm not going to complain. Got a good ways to go yet before we get to that point, right? So they got some time to get all that set up and make sure we can cross the border. I really do hope though that they do get it done here soon, because it just makes you feel better, you know, like knowing that you're good to go. You can just, you know, go, right? But anyways, we'll get on down the road and see what happens, right? Here we go, guys. We are still cruising along here. Matter of fact, speaking, we're still about 200 clicks from, well, 180 clicks, so about 2 hours worth of driving from getting to Sault Ste. Marie. We just had us a little bit of a pit stop. I figured, you know what? It's about 3 hours worth of driving that I already done, so may as well take me a little bit of a break here and have me a bite to eat or whatever, do my half an hour, right? Because remember, we're going back in the US, so we have to actually take our half an hour break, right? And so that's exactly what we just went ahead and did, and now it's time to get back at it again and get on rolling, right? So that's what we're doing. Looks like it's starting to clear up a little bit too. I mean, it's not like clearing up, but it is finally stopping with all that drizzled stuff. But that doesn't mean the roads is not wet yet, right? The roads are still wet, so we're still getting slush thrown on our window when vehicles are going the other way, right? But anyways, still waiting for my border crossing. I haven't heard anything from them yet. Yeah. Well, I sent a message. I shouldn't say I haven't heard anything from them. I sent them a message. Sent me a message back that they're still waiting on the broker to enter the information into the system. So I guess I'll go up to Sault Ste. Marie, and if I haven't heard anything, then oh well, I might have to sit there at the flying hook and wait until I get clearance, right? Nothing I can do about it. I kind of want to go in there anyways, maybe go take a shower, and I need a shower anyway, so I might just go ahead and do that anyhow, even if my border crossing is cleared. That way I got that taken care of, and we can continue on, right? Because there's not really that many truck stops out there on 28 that, you know, are decent truck stops, or, you know, have showers. Some of them even don't even have shower. Some of them may have showers, but I probably won't be fueling there, so, you know, I won't get a free shower, right? So then I would have to pay for a shower, and don't really feel like doing that either. Yeah, anyways, let's get on down to Sault Ste. Marie and see what happens. Alright guys, we have just finished topping off the fuel tank here in Sault Ste. Marie, and went and got our shower. Now we feel much better, that's for sure. Still a little drizzly out here and stuff, but whatever, that's just how it goes. Yeah. So now we are making our way towards the border, trying to get across the border, right?
State border ahead.
I know, RJ, I know. Trying to keep that windshield clean, but it's not as easy said than done, right? Seems like every time I use my windshield washer fluid, there's something else dripping on it or whatever, and it's right there in front of the lens, right? I'm hoping it's alright. I'm really hoping it is. But anyways, we only got a few miles to the border here, so we'll try and get across the border here, and then maybe we'll show you that, you know, that bridge there. I don't know. I've shown it a couple of times, you know, but I just love bridges, so maybe we'll show you that again. Who knows? So let's make our way down there and see what happens, right? Well, we have made it onto the bridge, ladies and gentlemen. Not even all the water is frozen up here. I'm surprised at that. But we're still getting some rain or drizzle or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, we had two of these, I don't know what you call it. It's like oranges or, I don't know, light brown or whatever. I don't know what you call this color. But anyways, two of these dip overs or whatever you want to call them. And here we go. Just gotta go to the other side to see customs, so we'll go on to the other side and see customs and get on down the road, right?
Speed limit reduced.
That's the plan anyways, so let's make it happen, guys. We will be entering the United States right here by these two posts coming up here. You see the flags up here? Might be able to see it right here. It feels like the wind is coming across it pretty strong. But this is the Canadian-US border right here. Entering the US right now. Come on, GPS.
Crossing border,
Here we go.
entering Michigan.
We are now in Michigan, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, indeed. I don't know, I keep getting this weird stuff there right in front of the camera there with them wipers. I don't know, whatever. The wind is blowing it right onto there, right? But anyways, let's get on through customs and make our way towards our delivery, right? Here we go, guys. We are done for today. We have made it up here quite a bit into Michigan today. Actually, I think we're not too far from hitting Wisconsin, but anyways, we found us a truck stop here, and I can't quite say the name. Convenient. Let me see here again. I'm gonna open up my weather bug here and see what it says here. Where exactly we're at, I don't remember, or I don't really know this area too well. So, Convenient Town, Michigan. I don't know if you guys can actually read it. I'm hoping it's not glaring too much. Hopefully that's not. Hopefully you can see it. But anyways, that's where we're at. Minus 14. Feels like minus 23 with the windshield this morning. That is obviously Celsius. Yeah, we had us a pretty decent night's sleep here. And now it's time to go ahead and get out of here. Close off the show. Just woke up to a nice surprise this morning. I had somebody, you know, it's a friend of mine, but I haven't talked to him to see if he's okay with me mentioning the name, but I have just gotten a donation given to me to my PayPal account, which is linked down below in the description, or if you go onto my main page, all the way on the right hand side, if you're on the desktop version, you can actually see the donation button, but it's also on every single video underneath where the description is. Just click the show more and you can find it in there. And he donated money, and he wants me to go ahead and go get a GoPro 6, so we're probably going to be upgrading cameras here in a little bit, guys. Yes, I know the GoPro 5 is already much better at night, and the GoPro 6 is supposed to be even better, so really looking forward to doing that. The quality is going to be muchly improved and all that stuff, so yeah, I'm excited. I can't wait. But anyways, let's get out of here. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. I'll talk to that person and see if I can mention the name or not, and we might show you when we go into Best Buy and get us a new GoPro. I'm excited, man. I'm excited. Anyways, let's get out of here. Hope you all had a good day, and we'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.